Mother Nature's been putting on a thunderstorm, weather alert thing here. I got a alert from the weather service to until 10:30 up and north of us here, about 20 miles, Daytona, South Daytona, Port Orange. Possible wind, hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds, tornado warnings, and pretty wicked lightning. That's all to the north of me here. I'll let this roll a few more minutes. Maybe it'll get over here or not, maybe it won't, but it's north of me quite a bit of ways yet. Got this storm cell system up there. Alrighty, 73. Thanks for watching.